Canva templates are a great way to take your design skills and turn them into a money-making side hustle online. So if you like Canva, this video is for you because I'm going to show you some of the best-selling types of Canva templates that you could sell on Etsy online to make extra income. Now, I won't actually be covering how to make Canva templates in this video, but we do have other videos here on our YouTube channel that show you how to do that. But today, I'm going to show you how to research trending products to sell online, as well as show you some of the best types of Canva templates that you should be selling if you want to make money on Canva. And just a quick note here, yes, you absolutely can sell your Canva templates. Now, you can't sell pre-made templates made by someone else, but if you create yours from scratch, you can sell those templates again and again for passive income. The design that you create needs to be completely new and completely your own. So as long as you're meeting that, you're good to go. And by the way, you can sell on more than just Etsy. There's also Creative Market. You could sell via Facebook groups, your own website. The possibilities really are endless for selling your Canva templates. But the best place really is Etsy because it has a built-in customer base of over 90 million shoppers. So it's huge. The traffic's already there, and you have to do a lot less marketing on your own part if you sell on Etsy compared to your own website or something like Fiverr. So here are a few of the best-selling Canva templates that you could be selling on Etsy. Resumes are a great category, ebooks, anything blog or social media related like graphics, Instagram stories, Pinterest pins, Facebook posts, YouTube thumbnails, or any other kind of website banners, workbooks or online courses, business form templates, or any other kind of template selling to other businesses. And the more specific you can get with this, like business templates for real estate agents or business templates for hair salons, the better you'll be. Also, media kits, posters, logos, brochures, and flyers, and presentation. The list really goes on and on. But now that you have some product ideas, how do you actually find the ones that make money? There are a few things that you should take into account to make sure that your products are successful. The first one would be to do market research on the type of product you want to sell. This helps to make sure that you don't make something that no one will buy. We want to make sure the products that you sell are in high demand, on the right platform, and they're going to bring in interest. This will keep you from putting in work for no reason that won't lead to any sales. So let me show you how to do this. The best way to find trending, in-demand Canva templates to sell on Etsy is to look on Etsy itself. So what I've done here is I've typed Canva template in the search bar to see what auto-populates, and I can see some really cool things here. Canva template social media. So let's use that one for example. And when I search that phrase, what I'm going to see come up are some of the most popular and high-ranking products for that particular search phrase. So I can see right here, this one says it's a bestseller. We're going to take a look at that one. And then this one is also a bestseller. Now keep in mind, this is for social media, but whatever type of Canva template you're selling, you can do the same process to research what's in your niche. So as you can see here, they have this little bestseller icon on the top left-hand side. And this is for a bundle. So Instagram templates coach. So this is a huge bundle of different Canva templates in this particular aesthetic and style. Here's another one. This is a little bit different. It's a content calendar in Google Sheets. So these are two different types of products within that particular ranking. So because this is a Google Sheet, it's not actually a Canva template. So I don't know why it ranked for Canva template if it's actually a Google Sheet. However, it probably means a lot of people who are searching for Canva templates go on to purchase this, and maybe they have this in their tag as well, in their Etsy tags. But I can see, okay, this might be something that could be a great Canva template product if it's something that's coming up in the search results. It's just not in Canva format. Let's continue on here. This is just very similar social media Canva template bundle, but it's in this color palette. And so this will be my process for researching best-selling Canva templates, is to see what's out there. Another thing you can do is go to Google and put in Google Trends. That's what I'm looking for. And here I can search what type of Canva templates are popular on Google as well. So I can see this search term, it's pretty popular, but if I scroll down, I can also kind of take a look at what other related topics are here. So event, bookbinding, digital preschool. So maybe I want to go back to Etsy and look for preschool Canva template and see what kind of things come up. So I can see right here, daycare parent handbook might be a good Canva template, syllabus templates, teachers pay teachers. There's probably something along the lines of daily daycare, kindergarten coloring pages, first day of school, lots of options. So I might not have stumbled upon that keyword, preschool, if I had not, or day school, if I had not started searching on both Etsy and Google Trends. So as you can see from this process, it's going to give you ideas for research, for keywords, and then you're going to go find for those keywords, what are some of the top products that show up on the first page of Etsy search results. The first page is the most important. These are going to be the best-selling, highest-ranking products. So this is what you're going to want to sell if you want to create in-demand products that sell again and again. After you've done some research on trending products, you also want to think about how can you make your product high quality and add more value or a unique selling point compared to these other products you've observed. So you want to find what's selling well and know that you're going to need to create products like that, but then figure out your own new spins on them or gaps in the market. What are other ways that you could make your product more helpful to your customer? And that's where you're going to make money. Another way to ensure that selling your Canva templates is successful is to make sure that you understand who your target customer is. Now, you're going to learn more about your target customers with the more products that you sell, but you can also research them from day one. So, for example, if you know that your target customers are going to be homeschool parents looking for, fun homeschool activities and they're using Canva templates to create those activities or back to school designs for their homeschool family, then you know that your target customer is homeschool families and you could do more research on them. Or maybe you know that your target customer are real estate agents who need social media graphics. So with that in mind, I would be researching what are the pain points of real estate agents? How can we save them time? How can we help them make more money? And researching more of the things that would be helpful to them. And just with those two examples, you could see those are two very different groups of people. And that's why doing the research is so important, because it's better to be more specific so that you make more sales instead of being too general and trying to sell to everyone. Now, one question that we always get asked is how much money can you make selling Canva templates? This really depends. The cost of your Canva templates, like how much you're pricing them, can vary greatly, from some Canva templates being 99 cents to $2 and others being $5, $10, $20 a piece. It also depends on if the products you're selling are in really high demand, how trending they are, what season they are for, and how well you're marketing your products both on Etsy and off of Etsy. So if this is a side hustle where you don't pay a lot of attention to it and you don't regularly add new products, it probably won't make you a ton of income. But if you are regularly committed to your business, to marketing it and creating new products, you could be seeing hundreds of dollars in sales every single month to thousands of dollars of sales every single month. The amount that you can make really depends on how much time you're willing to put into your shop, and then also how willing you are to learn how to improve, to learn how to market and grow your business as a whole. There's so much potential to make hundreds or thousands of dollars, but it really is going to come down to whether or not your products are in demand and how much time you're putting into optimizing them. And if you want to learn more about how to grow your Etsy shop, how to make money on digital and printable products online, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have a lot more information, and we can even show you things like how to create designs on Canva and how to make more money on Etsy.